Alright, good morning guys. It is a very, very hot again. Anyway, welcome back. Half-Fast 719. As you can see, YXZ Racing Daytona Seat Pair Gray. Anyway, so I'm gonna FedEx just dropped them off a couple seconds ago. So let me open them. Multi-purpose paint lid opener. Anyway, let's see what these bad boys are. Oh boy. I was supposed to do the front differential on the Audi, but that got canceled. But you guys all want me to get these off-road toys. Anyway, let's see. Got these for Labor Day sale. My buddy right there. He's always bugging me. Anyway, so I'm not really too talkative because it is just too hot out here. Okay. Let's see. My wife is gone. Thrift store shopping. Oh wait, I can't even see that here. It's supposed to be pretty high quality. Oh boy. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Let's see if I can prop you guys up. Gas tank. Might work, might not. Just put a new screen protector on my phone. Might as well try to break it, right? So, just set this out here. I do that one-handed. Anyway, I did order the bracket kits for it. It's supposed to come with hardware for nuts and bolts and stuff. So, anyway. Here's the seat. It does have a spot for the whatchamacallit, 5-point harness. I did not know that. And stitching. Fancy. Some Louis Vuitton right there. Louis Vuitton, some carbon fiber. Let's see. Bear with me, people. Put it on the plastic. Jeez. Okay. So not too bad. Kind of a carbon fiber-esque texture. And stitching in gray. A little tag. They're supposed to be suspension seats, which I guess they are. Some paracord or whatever that is under there for the suspension. Anyway, that goes in something like that. So, might do an install video, might not do an install video. I am, however, waiting on my harnesses. I did order harnesses. Don't know if the hardware is in here. I'm talking about nuts and bolts hardware. So, I don't know. Looks pretty cool to me. Yet to be determined how they feel. And, yeah. I'm just trying to open this box. So this is more of an unboxing, I guess, more than anything. So this looks like might just be a bracket. There's the hardware kit right there. Okay, so anyway, carriage bolts, spacers, some other stuff. They did have a harness kits on their website. However, because I don't really know them, I don't really trust them, I guess I could say. So I went with the Dragonfire Harnesses, 4-point harness. I don't know them personally, but I do know of them. So anyway, those are the seats. That's the unboxing. That's all I got. Whew. I'm burning up already. Oh, and by the way, if you have an electric vehicle, since all of California, everybody does that. They come right by my house and they get on it. I don't know if it's just me or what the deal is, because you got a stop sign there, they come this way and brrr, they go this way, brrr. Anyway, yeah, I don't even know what I was saying. I get so distracted, I get so excited. But that's gonna be it. It's basically an unboxing video of those. Suspension seats. Like I said, they were having a sale. Oh, that's what I was talking about. So they're having a sale for Labor Day. They were, not anymore. And yeah, I was talking about California signed a bill. They wanted all new vehicle sales to be electric. So any new vehicle, go buy a new truck. Can't buy a gas or diesel truck, it has to be electric. 2035 or something like that. But then we get an alert yesterday saying don't charge your electric vehicles because of the power grid, blah blah blah. Good old California want to make a law, but then make you, I don't know, they're dumb. California, they're totally. That's all I gotta say. So generators, small engines, gasoline, diesel, 2035, no sales in California for new. So you'll still be able to buy old, used vehicles. You just will not be able to buy a brand new vehicle. Anyway, here's what it is. All right, guys. Yeah, I'll conclude this video when I get the harnesses. I was told to install the harnesses before you install the seats. That could be true, that could not be true. We'll find out together. So, yeah, we'll see when the harnesses get here. Harness should be here later in a little bit. So we're back to unwrap those. All right, well, I guess there's a difference between FedEx and UPS. So, looks like I might have my harnesses in here. So apparently UPS is dumb and they'll just leave it at your front gate for anybody to drive over and get it. Understand if my gate is closed, I hear beeping. So anyway, might have a solution for this pipe right here. Oh. So I'm going to try to open this box backwards, or upside down I should say. I already started tearing the seat out, and I looked down there and found out it's got a subwoofer. It's got a subwoofer box. The woofer, looks like a 10-inch subwoofer. Anyway, so I started pulling this apart. Didn't need to, I just wanted to pull this side piece off so I can get access to that bolt. And then just basically clean up this area. You know, rocks, bushes, whatever else is in here. Branches, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, yeah, it's just gonna get dirty again. You with these seats, you retain, hopefully, you retain the sliding function of this front past driver's seat. So we'll have to take off this seat belt, and this, what I'm gonna do is just jump it. I might just cut the wires here and splice them, because that's basically all they got. Got this zip tied up here because that's where the original roll cage harnessed off. But anyway, I think they're that looks like a 6mm Allen. This is probably a 17, and I believe that's a 17 down there. And then the new harnesses will wrap in to this bar right here. Wrap in, tie off, and yeah, so gotta get all that off. I can do all that off camera. I just was sitting right here and I saw that. I was like, oh, it's a subwoofer. Subwoofer. A woofer. Anyway, let's open up these harnesses. And see what we got. I'm opening them this way because my address and everything's on the other side. Oh. Looks like I ordered me some black harnesses. Oh, crap. Blue. Hoping they'll fade to that color eventually. So it looks like I ordered blue 3-inch wide. Those are pretty wide. Maybe I should have went for the 2-inch. Any case, anyway. Yeah, so I don't think there's a driver or a passenger. Hey, I don't like blue, but this guy already put so much money into the powder coating of the blue. That kind of is what it is. I'm gonna have to go with it. Could have went gray. Gray was back ordered. I could have got gray in 2-inch, but 3-inch was back ordered, which is what I really wanted, but it was a light gray. So I think it would have got dirty and been bad. I could have got black, but I don't know. I didn't want to. I think I hear the wife's car. Maybe not. Anyway, and then didn't want to go red, and blue was the next option, and I think they had orange and green, which so anyway, that's where I'm at. This unboxing is what I'm doing. I don't think I'll do an install. Maybe I'll do another video as I'm installing, but this is basically my unboxing video of the seats and that. So anyway, guys, it's hot. I'm gonna go. See you guys on the next video. They do give stickers, stitchers, Dragonfire. These are supposed to be one of the better ones, comparable to Simpson. Not sure. It's what I was told, what I've read. So I'm gonna get to it. It's hot, guys. And of course, what am I wearing? Like that one guy on the TikTok doing this. Hello, black. Wearing black. 110 degrees. Probably like 107. I guess. Gotta get to it. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, do what you guys do. Later.